look what I have created.
It's so quiet out here. Come on, not now.
Leo? Hey, buddy, you... Leo? Leo! Hold on, baby, I'm coming! It's all right. And button now. I'm in. I'm in. Hold tight. Is it gonna start? It better.
That was Hollywood level video, right? You probably watched that and thought, this looks so professional. Must be made by a big team using expensive software. Well, let me share a secret with you. I generated this entire masterpiece using VIDEOINU's new one-click generations feature. It requires absolutely no editing at all. It is the perfect beginner-friendly shortcut to get amazing results. Instantly, before you even dive into the detailed storyboard mode, you know how most AI video generators out there only give you those short 5 to 10 second clips? Or how they struggle to keep characters looking the same, from scene to scene? Well, today, I'm showing you a tool that completely changes the game. It allows you to create videos up to 30 minutes long with just a single prompt. And the best part, it handles consistent characters like a pro. Right now, kid story videos are one of the most profitable types of niche on YouTube. You've probably seen those channels with millions of followers and unbelievable views. And when you look at their earnings, it's absolutely crazy. Creating those cartoon story videos used to be difficult, but this tool changes everything. Whether it's a kid's story series, a crime documentary, or a cinematic movie, you can now build a massive, faceless channel that is 100% monetizable. Today, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to use this tool to its maximum potential so you can awaken the inner director inside you. Let's get straight into the video. And listen up. I am excited to announce that I'm giving away 3 Pro membership slots to my subscribers. Stick around until the very end and I will break down exactly how you can grab one of these. You absolutely don't want to miss this opportunity. To get started, head down to the description, click the link I've provided, and sign up with your email. Once you are in, you are going to see a dashboard that looks pretty clean. You have 3 main engines here: animation video, cinematic video, voiceover video, and text-to-video for creating visual shots. And the one we are focusing on today is animation video. This is the big update because it claims to utilize Sora 2 for generation, which is a massive leap in quality. So let's go ahead and click on that to open up the main interface. Now, this text box right here is the brain of the operation. This is where you paste your story idea. And the best part, you don't need to be Shakespeare. You can literally paste a rough, messy idea because this tool will automatically rewrite and polish your prompt into a production-ready script. It is literally doing the heavy lifting for you. Then toggle on the Smart Script option right here, which tells the AI to enhance the narrative flow before it even starts generating images. Next, we need to pick a visual style. If you click this drop-down, you'll see a ton of options. But for today's demonstration, I want to test its limits, so I'm going with the 3D animation style because that usually requires the most consistency. Then we have the duration slider. This is actually mind-blowing. You can drag this all the way up to 30 minutes. Most AI tools cap you at a few seconds. So having a 30-minute option is revolutionary for long-form content. For this demo, I'll going with 3-minute clip. Select your aspect ratio and pick your language. Then hit create. Right now, the AI isn't just making a script. It's building a production plan. It's analyzing your plot and generating a cast list. Look at the result here. It has generated character profiles for our story. This is the secret sauce. By locking the character references, the tool ensures that your protagonist looks exactly the same in the first scene as they do in the last scene. That character consistency has always been the biggest struggle with AI video, and this tool solves it by creating these reference sheets. Below that, you can see it has broken our script into individual scenes. This gives you a chance to review the flow. If a scene feels out of place, you can edit the text right here before any video is generated. Once you are happy with the script and the cast, you have two paths. First is Preview Storyboard, which lets you tweak the static images of every scene. And second is Generate Video, which do the whole thing automatically and gives you ready to upload video. Let's live on the edge and click Generate Video. It's going to use the Nano Banana Pro engine to create the base images and then run them through Sora 2 for the motion. This was the one-click generation feature which I told you at the beginning, which does everything automatically. Let me show you the result.
You've been at this an hour. Find anything yet?
Not yet, but I will.
I hope it's worth the laundry.
Whoa! What are you hiding down here? Ugh. Come on! Got it!
Whoa, it's glowing.
It's a map! A magic one!
What on earth did we just dig up?
According to this map, the waterfall should be just past that big bend. If we're reading it right, these trails all look the same to me.
Don't worry, I got it. See, we're right on the dotted line. Just keep an eye out for markers, okay?
Got it! The map says the trail ends here, but the ground's glowing.
It's like it's showing us where to go next.
Then let's follow it. Ready?
Ready? It's incredible.
Come on! I swear I saw something shine just past those trees.
Are you sure it's safe?
Only one way to find out. Trust me, it's amazing.
All right, just keep your eyes open.
Whoa! It's like the tree grew a door. More like the door's been waiting for us. You think it goes somewhere? Only one way to find out.
Go on. It's all right. I'm right here.
Okay.
Hold on to me! Got you!
Whoa! Where are we?
Somewhere way up. Just stay back from the edge, okay?
It's so shiny and loud.
Yeah. Let's figure out what brought us here.
I don't see anything that looks familiar down there.
They don't look angry, Leo. They just look surprised.
Yeah?
Yeah. Let's show them we're friendly.
Hi. I'm Leo. Don't be afraid.
It's bigger than I ever imagined.
Yeah. Keep close. It's easy to get lost out there.
Now, if you want to download this video, just hit that Save to Download button. And check this out. This is one of the few tools that actually supports full 2 kilobits resolution using the Sora 2 engine, which keeps everything looking incredibly sharp. For this video, I'm going to stick with a crisp 1080p, so I'll lock that in and hit confirm to save it straight to my drive. But what if you watched the playback and spotted a tiny detail you didn't like? You don't have to start over. Just head back to the Home section and open your Assets tab. Find the project we just worked on, click those 3 little dots and select Edit. This takes you right into the advanced timeline. And this is where the Nano Banana Pro engine really shines. If a specific scene feels off, maybe the background isn't quite right, you don't need to stress. Just click that Regenerate button. It will instantly create a fresh variation of the shot, while keeping your character's face perfectly consistent. You can even type in a manual prompt right here if you want to change the lighting or the mood. Once satisfied, click on Animate button to add motion to your static image. As you can see, this tool uses the power of Sora 2 for video generation. Then click on Confirm button to get your job done. I know you guys want to test this out without any limits, so I am giving away 3 pro membership slots of VIDEOINU AI tool. You heard that right, full access on the house. If you want to grab one of these accounts, the rules are incredibly simple. Head down to the description right now, click that exclusive link, and create your free account on the VIDEOINU platform. That's your entry ticket. Then come back here and drop a comment below telling me exactly what you like about VIDEOINU and what improvements you hope to see in the future. I will be picking the 3 most unique and interesting comments as the winners. The results will be announced in exactly 7 days on my Telegram channel, so do not miss out. Try your luck right now, and make sure you've subscribed to our channel. Thanks for watching.